Hey, Puka Snow here. Today, let's crochet this adorable big-headed cat together. Don't forget to give me a like, share, comment, or subscribe to keep me motivated to make videos every day. Tools you'll need to prepare: a 2.5mm crochet hook, scissors, a sewing needle, stitch markers, and stuffing. Create a magic ring and crochet 5 single crochet stitches into it. Slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Chain 1. Crochet 1 single crochet stitch. Then crochet 1 increase stitch. Repeat 2 times. Finally, crochet 1 more single crochet stitch. Slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Chain 1. Crochet 7 single crochet stitches. Now we have finished crocheting 1 cat ear. Make 1 more, and I will guide you on how to crochet the cat's head next. After finishing the second cat ear, crochet 5 chains. Connect to the first cat ear with a slip stitch into the join between the rows. Chain 1. Crochet 1 single crochet stitch into the next stitch. One increase stitch. Repeat 3 times. At this point, crochet 5 single crochet stitches into one side of the chain. The head part, I will provide the pattern on the screen. Row 12, chain 1, then crochet 4 single crochet stitches. Then, we will crochet a decrease stitch. You will crochet according to the pattern on the screen. Stuff the cat's head with stuffing. Now, for the body part, we will increase stitches according to the pattern on the screen. Now, we will crochet the cat's legs. We currently have 14 stitches, so we will divide them into 2 parts, with 7 stitches on each side, to crochet the 2 cat legs. Crochet 7 single crochet stitches. At this point, connect with the first single crochet stitch to form a circle. And continue with the next row. Similarly, crochet rows 19 to 20 for the other leg, changing to a different color for the second leg. Cat arms, create a magic ring. Crochet 5 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Row 2, crochet 5 single crochet stitches again. We will sew the 2 cat paws onto the body. You can embroider the face details to decorate the cat. The big-headed cat is complete. It's so cute, right? Wishing you all the best of luck. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or simply leave a comment below to give me the motivation to create more new videos.